Hey guys, this is Bruce here with the Aquarium Life. So today I was on a service call and the client had an acrylic aquarium. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to demonstrate a technique that can save you a lot of time and effort. You may have seen this, but if not, I think you'll be glad that you did. Acrylic is awesome in the fact that it actually has more clarity than glass, but one of the big downfalls of acrylic is when algae gets on there, it can get stuck on there really good. And if you have an acrylic aquarium, you probably know this. So what I do here is we take Adobe sponge, and I got this package here today with my value savings card for like $3.50. You got 3 sponges, and I'm going to show you how to put these on the magnet and how to save a lot of time cleaning your aquarium. Okay, so we've got our Adobe sponge here. You can see it's got a little bit of a lip on the one side as opposed to the other. So we're going to take this. I'm using just a razor blade here. A pair of scissors will work fine. It doesn't take a lot to cut that open. Alright, so then I like to slide the sponge out, and the sponge actually works pretty good for cleaning out your protein skimmer cup, so I hang on to that. And then this is an algae-free magnet. It works with MagFloat, pretty much any standard magnet. You just slip that around there. And obviously you want to make sure that your magnet surface is nice and clear of any kind of debris, gravel, anything like that is going to scratch your acrylic or glass for that matter. And once you're sure that's clear, you go ahead and put that on. The rough surface of the magnet will help hold that together, and you're ready to go. And I'll show you how well this works here in just a second. Perfect opportunity here to show you how well this works. So you can see this tank here is acrylic. I'm going to put that in. And it just tears that algae up like it's nothing. Perfect. So you can see how well that worked. I mean, you know, we made really short work of all that algae on the acrylic. You know, like I said, you may have already seen this technique, but if you haven't, it will save you a lot of time and headache. If you liked the video, or even if you didn't like this video, you know, leave a comment, some suggestions. I'm on here doing these videos so that you know, I can help people. And if you have anything you'd like to see in the future, please feel free to put that in the comments as well. I'm on Facebook, Bruce Ewald. I'm also on Instagram as vital_reef. You know, please like and subscribe to the video. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any other questions or anything I can help with, please let me know. Thank you.